Welcome to Learning Dream Machine.
Today we'll be showing you how to create images from text with Dream Machine. Dream Machine is available on both web and iOS, but this walkthrough focuses on the web version. Once you make an account and log in, hit the plus button to start a new board. Open Settings in the Composer, select Image Mode, and choose an aspect ratio. Then type in your detailed idea into the Composer.
Photorealistic black muscle cars speeding through a foggy neon city.
Once you're done, click the arrow, and Dream Machine will generate 4 image ideas based on your prompt. To see variations of an image idea, click More Like This. Or click Show More to generate 4 entirely new ideas. If you want to adjust the text instructions, you can select Reuse Message to copy it back into the Composer box. Once you have an image you're happy with, click the Download button to save it. And that's how to create an image from text with Dream Machine. If you want to learn how to bring your ideas to life with motion, check out our next tutorial, Creating Video from Text with Dream Machine.